Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. Today's chapter number 2, latitude and longitudes for class 5th part 3. In previous class we have learnt about latitude and longitudes. In today's topic is how to locate, it is a locating the place. How to locate the place on the globe. Today's topic is there. So, locating the place. How to locate the place on the globe. In previous class, we have learnt what is latitude and what is longitude. And why these are important, means why latitudes and longitudes important to us. You can see here students, so this is a picture of globe and this is a picture of map. These both are important to us because these are represents on the earth. These are represents on the earth. And also these are locates the different places and different things. These are help us to locate the different places and different things. So here these globes and maps were very important to us and also they are help to us. See students, so these lines are there here, see here globe, some vertical lines are there here, okay, and horizontal lines also are there here, and see on map, some lines are there, horizontal and vertical, so these are imaginary lines. So imaginary lines also known as latitudes and longitudes. These are latitudes and longitudes. See here students, on globe you can see here some standing line are there here. So these are the standing lines, okay, and also you can see here on the map some standing lines are there. So these lines are longitudes. These lines are longitudes. Okay. So what are these? These are the longitudes. Okay. See here. So these longitudes and latitudes help us to know the place or things very easily. And when we are seeing on globe, and you can see here map, some standing line means these are vertical lines are there here. So these lines are longitudes. Longitudes also called meridians. See here. Longitudes also called meridians. And you can see here some lines are sleeping lines. Means these are horizontal lines. See here. So here also is there. So these are horizontal lines. So these lines are latitudes. Latitude. These lines parallelly move on the globe. These are parallelly moves to the globe and the map. And these longitudes move towards that north pole too. It starts north pole too and it ends south pole. See here map. You can see here map also. Some longitudes starts at north pole and ends with south pole. Understood? Okay. So next you can see here some broken line is there. What is this? So this is equator. What is this? Equator. Equator, it measures at 0 degree. See on your map. It is the equator. So equator measured in 0 degree. It's the 0 degree latitude. And equator moves that it starts east direction to it moves that west direction. Equator, it direction east direction moves towards to the west direction. So it is the equator. Okay, and also you can see here equator is divides that the earth on two parts. Equator divides the earth on two parts. So that is about the equator we call that northern hemisphere. See here, hemisphere, and below the equator it is southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. And see on your map. So this is the equator. So equator divides the earth in two equal hemispheres. Above the equator we call that northern hemisphere, and below the equator southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. Okay students, so you can see here on the globe and on map some line is there here. So this line is there, no, it is the meridian. So this line is what? Meridian. See here, prime meridian, prime meridian. So this prime meridian moves north pole to south pole. See on map. So prime meridian is moves from north pole to south pole. Okay, and this prime meridian is passes through that Greenwich. It's a South London. So called this one prime meridian. So prime meridian, it is a longitude, and this prime meridian is divided into the earth in two equal hemispheres. The prime meridian is divides the two equal hemispheres. So that hemispheres are there here. Eastern hemisphere. See here, it is the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. See on your map. So this part is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay students, so these are the latitudes and longitudes. Now you can see here some on the globe and on the map we have seen here some squares. See here, square is there here. See here, these squares. See on your globe, some square is there. What is this all? So these are the grids. What is this? Grid. Grid. What is meant by grid? When latitudes, see here, latitudes and longitudes intersect each other. When the latitudes and the longitudes intersect each other, then you are made by the grids. You are made by the grids. So grids are help us to locate the places. Grids are help us to locate the places. Okay, students. So now next one is there here. How to locate India on the globe? See here. How to locate India on the globe? You can see here. So next question is coming here. How to locate India on the globe? Okay, see here students. So this is the globe. Globe is the model of the earth. Okay, and see here, in this globe, how we can find India? Some here latitudes and longitudes are there here. Okay, and see here. Some in this globe, we have mentioned here the map of India. Okay, we have mentioned here the map of India. Okay, and see here, it is the map of India. See here, it is a map of India. So how you locate this map on the globe? Students, always you remember it. Before we locate any places, first we will understood latitudes and longitudes. Then we locate the places. And see here students, the India map is there here in the latitudes and longitudes. You can see here. India lies on the north place. It is the equator of, see here, India lies on the globe 66.44 degree north and 35.30 degree north latitude. North latitude. And in longitude, what about longitude? So the longitude is there here 68.7 degree east and 97.25 degree east longitude. East longitude. So the India has located here the equator of northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. The India has located on the globe in the equator of northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. See here, India lies on the globe, see here, 66.44 degree north and 35.30 degree north latitude, and 68.7 degree east and 97.25 degree east longitude. So this like we also locate other places on the globe. Okay students, here completed today's topic, locating places. Locate the places. So you have learnt about in today's class some about latitude and longitudes and how to locate the places And what is grid? So what about grid? Okay, and also meridians, prime meridian, equator, and how to locate India on the globe. In today's class you have learnt. I hope you all are understood today's class. So next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.